In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tailgate damper on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. On the side here, we're going to take this bolt out using a 13mm socket. Take this bracket, line this up, take that same bolt, get that started, and tighten that down. We're going to take the tailgate cable off. You're going to lift the tailgate slightly, just slide that off and out of the way. Using a 13mm socket, take this bolt out. Now take this stud and washer and put a little dab of thread lock adhesive on here. Just a dab. Put the washer there and the stud. We'll tighten this down. Make sure that's snug. Take the cable, line that up. Then we're going to take the strut, line it up top, then down below. Take a dab of the thread lock adhesive, put it on the stud, put the nut on, snug this nut down. Not too tight. That's good. That should be loose like that. On the stud, a dab of thread lock adhesive. The washer and the nut. And snug this down, not too tight. This should still be able to move. Which it does.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.